Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding electric bikes for adults that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ANCHEER folding electric mountain bike. This bike is designed to be sturdy while keeping weight to a minimum. It has an aluminum alloy frame that supports up to 150 kilograms. A gear transmission system gives 21 speeds to select from, which is a good feature for riding on the mountains. The battery gives a ride of 25 to 50 kilometers on a single charge. The bike has a high-speed 250 watts motor that lets you clock a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. You can use it in either e-bike mode or pedal-assisted mode in case you want to save battery power. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ANCHEER folding electric mountain bike. This is an ultra-lightweight yet strong e-bike with an aluminum frame. The frame is coated in a protective powder that reduces damage caused by rust and overexposure. Strong 26-inch magnesium alloy wheels combine with the frame to support up to 150 kilograms. 21-speed transmission lets you customize the pace of your ride. This bike gives a range of 15.5 miles in e-bike mode and 31 miles in assisted mode. It has a large capacity battery that powers the 250 watts motor. The battery charges in 4 to 6 hours. At number 3, we have the SWAGTRON SwagCycle e-bike, folding electric bicycle. This sleek electric bike gives the convenience of a lightweight design and great power to match. This bike is made of quality aircraft-grade aluminum to give a lightweight construction of just 29 pounds for improved portability. The frame feels sturdy and supports up to 264 pounds. A powerful 250-watt motor lets the bike clock a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. The battery charges in just 2.5 hours to let you enjoy the ride in no time. Ultra-bright LED lamp and reflectors give improved visibility in high-traffic areas and when traveling at night. At number 2, we have the Cyclamatic CX2 bicycle electric foldaway bike. Cyclamatic CX2 e-bike is a good ride for commuters and travelers. The bike has a tough frame made of steel and powder coated for additional strength and protection. It supports up to 220 pounds. The battery takes 4 to 6 hours to fully recharge and lasts 25 to 31 miles on a single charge. This folding electric bike cruises at a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour. Kenda tires and 6-speed gear transmission add comfort to your ride. The seat of the bike has an adjustable height of 30.5 to 33 inches, which gives a good fit for riders at least 5 feet 2 inches tall. And finally, at number 1, we have the ANCHEER 250W electric mountain bike for adults. This bike has a good combination of power and sturdiness, features that make it a good ride for adults. This electric bike is a lightweight yet tough combination of aluminum alloy and high-strength carbon steel supporting up to 150 kilograms. A 250 watts brushless motor drives this bike and gives a 3-speed setting adjustable to a maximum of 25 kilometers per hour. The 36-volt battery that powers the motor takes 4 to 6 hours to charge and lasts 25 to 50 kilometers on a single charge. A 21-speed transmission system comes in handy to give increased customization in your ride. This bike has a bright LED lamp for improved visibility in the dark. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.